Oh, hi there. I'll just interact with my computer user interface. How important is user interface? We'll find out. What does user interface actually mean? Users interact with a device or a computer or software. Basically, it's interaction between human and device. Would you rather drag a file into a folder or type a command on a computer that does that for you? If you're the average user, you would prefer to drag the file. It's easier and you don't have to remember any commands to do that. And that's what people thought in the 90s. That's why the computer became mainstream, is because it was easier to use. The common person can use it. One of the reasons computers became mainstream was they went from looking like this to looking like this. Now with a few clicks, you can get your email done, you can transfer your photos to a folder, you can type a whole essay, and with the command line, in order for you to do that, you have to type a command that lets you do that. And that was probably pretty annoying for others. When we're talking about user interfaces, we're not referring to one or two types. There's quite a few. For example, the command line is when you type a bunch of commands on a computer to tell the computer what to do or device. Graphical user interface, it's what you do every day. Drag, click, use the keyboard, use the pointer on the clicker. Menu driven is pretty easy to understand. It's basically when you go to an ATM and it gives you the option withdrawal, check balance, or whatever, and you press on it and it leads you to another page with a bunch of tabs, and then you press from checkings account, from whatever account, and then you press on it. So it's like a menu bar. Or when you go to settings on an iPhone, you press I don't know, whatever, battery life, Wi-Fi. Natural language is when you talk to your phone or talk to a device like Google Home or Amazon Echo or Siri. The goal of a user interface is to make it easy to use, hence the term user-friendly. User-friendly basically means easy to use or understand. Some websites are extremely easy and elegant and clean, like Facebook or Dropbox, but some are not. Like, for example, check out this government website. Blocky, ugly, just not user-friendly at all, and sometimes it's difficult to navigate through. Steve Jobs once said, "We made the buttons look so good that you'll want to eat them," and that's why one of the reasons iOS was so successful. It's because it was user-friendly, it was easy to use, and it didn't give you a headache like Windows did. A really cool interface that I haven't mentioned yet is virtual reality, and more than likely you heard of it before. A lot of big players are getting involved in it, like Microsoft, Sony, Samsung, Facebook, and it'll be kind of interesting to see how far they can take it. Maybe it'll be a common household item, or something so common that you carry with you, like a pair of headphones, or it maybe just be a fad. You never know. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Interface, and it's interesting how they're integrated, 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 interrogated, integrated, integrated, integrated.